Welcome to an Our Town demonstration on how to navigate the map and find specific markers. There are several ways to navigate to a specific marker, and the first method you're probably familiar with through Google Maps, where you have zoom in, zoom out, pan left, right, up and down on the map from the various arrows in the upper left hand corner, or from the menu options at the bottom of the page, zoom in, zoom out, pan up, pan down, pan left, pan right. If you put your mouse over a marker, an information bubble will come up. This one happens to be a marker in St. Louis. Now with the marker bubble highlighted, you can select zoom in several times, and you can see that the highlighted marker stays on the screen and other markers are fanning out from behind the marker icons as you zoom into the lower level. To minimize the bubble, exit out, or if a bubble is highlighted because your mouse has scrolled over the top of it, if you click anywhere else on the screen, it will go away. Another way to find a specific marker is to choose a county in the drop-down menu, such as Richland County. And the system will populate the map with only those markers that are in Richland County. And again, you can highlight and drill down on these markers. Another way to navigate on the map is to use the screen representation down in the lower right hand corner of the map and move it, and the system will pan up to the upper left to show those markers that you've moved the screen over. Let's go back to over Alney. Now going back to home, another method is to select from the group drop down box a predefined group of markers, such as historic Kirkwood landmarks. Then the system will populate a map with user-defined markers that are in this group. As you can see, there's businesses and homes in Kirkwood that are part of the historical marker group that's been defined by a user. Another filter that can be used would be a date from, let's say, the year 1839. And to 1860. Then the system will populate the map with only those markers that have the dates of 1839 through 1860. Another way to search for a marker is to take and select the Search tab off of the menu bar, and type in a name that's included in the marker name. And search for that. The system will return a list of markers that have the name Wilson in them. Wilson Residence, Wilson House, Wilson Apartment Duplex. And you can select that marker by selecting the marker name. And then view that marker and all the media displayed and attached to that marker. And the last way to find a marker is to select MyAccount from the menu tab bar. And this brings up the profile of this user, Donald Wilson, and by selecting My Markers, a marker list is displayed of all the markers that this user has put on the system. For instance, this user added the old Firehouse number 1 marker in the Add a Marker demo. And that concludes how to find markers and navigate on the system. Thank you.